Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to show you one of our newest swap blocks. This is our 10L90 transmission mock-up. The 10L90s came behind various Gen 5 LT engines that were in newer trucks, Camaros, CTS-Vs. The LT4 was in front of it. So a lot of guys are taking dropouts from these newer trucks and putting them into older cars. And then you run into the issues of transmission tunnel clearances. So that's why we created this 10L90 mock-up trans. It's nice because it shows you the profile of the 10L90 transmission, and it allows you to determine where your crossmember is going to land and what type of modifications you might need to fit this transmission into your classic car, or any car for that matter. So this is just one of many of the transmission swap blocks that we have. We also have quite a few engine mock-up blocks. So if you want to find out more about these, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.